Hello everyone. Today we will see how to record a BDC in SAP. So let's start. What is BDC? Batch Data Communication, and is also referred to batch input. It is mainly used for uploading data into the SAP through flat files, which could be Excel, CSV file, and so on. Transaction code for recording a BDC is SHDB. So let's see how to record a BDC in SAP. So for that, we need to run transaction code SHDB. So this is the transaction code. Now enter. So once you will run this transaction code, you will see this screen. So what you need to do here, you need to click on this new recording. Once you click on this new recording, you will have this screen where you need to give a name of recording and the transaction code which you want to record. So we are going to record a transaction code which is FB60. This is the name we are giving and the transaction code FB60 which we want to record. Now enter. So now you can see FB60 transaction code in front of you. So now we are going to record a transaction code. So whatever fields which we want to record, we need to enter data in those fields. So now you can see recording running. So whenever I'm giving any information in any field, system is recording. So these are the information which I wanted to record in FB60. So now see recording running. So it is recording. So now I will save it, enter it. This is just a warning. Again warning, enter. So now you can see whatever the fields which I have used in recording, it has recorded all the fields with the screen name. So we can see, go down. See, this is the amount. See, this is also amount. This is tax code. This is vendor number. This is SG text. And here you can see this. I clicked on calculate text. So whenever you want to tick on any field, then it will read like X. Okay, now click on save. Your recording is saved. Now go back to transaction SHDB. So now this is your recording. So you need to give this recording name to ABAPer. ABAPer will do the coding. And you need to provide Excel format or CSV format, whichever you want to use. So once coding is done, then you will receive a new transaction code, which you can use to upload a bulk data with the help of flat file, which could be Excel or CSV. So this is the way to record a transaction in SAP. I hope you have got something from this video. If so, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.